In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an eBay gift card at checkout easily. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to ebay.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Just click on that and enter your credentials. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Next, you'll want to find the item you're interested in purchasing with your eBay gift card. At the top of the eBay homepage, you'll notice a search bar. Go ahead and type in the name of the product you're looking for and then press search. This will bring up a list of items that match your search criteria. It's crucial to have an idea of what you're searching for to make the process smoother and more efficient. Once you've clicked on the search button, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Browse through these results and select the item that catches your interest. It's always a good idea to review the product details, such as price, seller rating, and shipping options to ensure it meets your needs and expectations. After selecting the item, you'll be directed to the product page. Here you'll see all the information about the product, including pictures, specifications, and seller policies. Once you've reviewed everything and are ready to purchase, look for the Buy It Now button. Click on it to proceed to the checkout page where you'll finalize your purchase. Now, this is where your eBay gift card will come into play. On the checkout page, keep an eye out for a section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. In this area, you'll see a field where you can enter your 13-digit eBay gift card code. Go ahead and type in the code carefully to make sure there are no errors. After entering your gift card code, click the Apply button. When you do this, the amount on your gift card will be deducted from your total purchase, so you'll want to ensure that it's been applied correctly. If everything looks good and the gift card has been accepted, you can now complete your purchase using the remaining balance or another payment method if needed. And that's it. These simple steps will help you use your eBay gift card during the checkout process. It's an efficient way to make your purchase, and it's always exciting to use a gift card to get something special. Follow these steps whenever you're using an eBay gift card and enjoy your online shopping experience.